Today, I'm bringing to you another powerful organization that based in UK. They're offering visa sponsorship. If you want to volunteer, this job is for you. Please mind you, they are not collecting any money, and we are not collecting consultation fee or visa fee. This is their name, Scargel Movement. Scargel Movement. You will see their email and their address and telephone number. Then contact them and email them your CV and cover letter. Please make your CV very good so that it will match job description. They are international Christian community that welcoming everybody. They need a lot of people, even if you are accountant. This is about themselves. When you go to Google, just simply type in Scargel Movement, read about them, read what they are looking for. Even if you are accountant, plumber, any job at all, because you will be useful to them. At the end of 1 year, they will employ you permanently, but now you are going to volunteer. Mind you that they are not going to pay you, but they will give you stipend to maintain yourself, but they will give you accommodation, feeding. Look at their email. Please screenshot it, email your CV. If you roll out, just screenshot it, then email them your CV. They will call you, they will give you interview, they will give you virtual interview. Please, during the time of your interview, make sure that you use laptop, don't use phone. They will offer you virtual interview, and if accepted, they will prepare you, help you to run your visa fee and everything. Please share this to your friends and relatives so that they will know. This organization, they're offering year in, year out visa sponsorship. They are employing people. You are going to volunteer, and at end of 1 year, they will employ you permanently. And or if you don't like to work there, you can switch. If you are Christian, this is advantage to you because they are Christian community. They will ask you about yourself, then you will explain. Make sure that your CV and cover letter matches the job description. Simply go to Google and type in Scargel Movement. You will read about them. They are Christian community. They are friendly. They are not going to reject you. Just make sure that your CV is very, very good and they are at like European standard. Thank you for watching our video. Please comment fine, good, beautiful. If it interests you, say interesting. If you are interested, say I am interested and do something. I've shown you their names, their email, their telephone number. Go to Google and research more. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.